being Buddhist, you are animists.
Yeah.
So would you say you are more animist than Buddhist? Or it depends on the person? How would you put this?
See, I first prefer animism, then Buddhist as thing secondary, because our root is with nature, so that's why it's very important. So if nature is there, all religion is there, when there is no nature, so
So Tenzing, where are we
Yeah.
going today?
waiting na.
I'm Ugen Paz Lepcha. I'm 43 years old. I live in Higathang, Zongu. At presently, I am work as Executive Director, MLAS NGO.
Samdang betul hoyo abalat alo hoyo jalan. Ahi betul nak alat nak hoyo jalan dah jalan mo yo sha samdang ko jalan dah pom la dah nak sha yo ada seri ma betul.
Motanchi Lomal Sejum means Mother New Part Organizations. इसका मतलब है Mother Nature's showing the new path.
In Secure Himalaya, we have 4 central components, which are also our project outcomes. So the first one deals with improved management of high altitude ecosystems and the snow leopard habitats that we are trying to conserve. The second one is looking at enhancing the sustainable livelihood options of the people who are residing in these areas. The third one deals with mitigation of illegal wildlife activities, including trade in illegal wildlife products as well as hunting and poaching. Whereas the fourth one is management of all knowledge systems, which will result out of this project, as well as to enhance the gender inclusion part in our landscape. Of all the ethnic communities that you find in Sikkim, Lepchas have probably been inhabiting this land for the oldest or the longest amount of time. So because of that, they have had a very strong connection to nature. So you would find that in their language, their indigenous Lepcha language, they would have a traditional or local name for each of the bird or the plant species that they find in and around them.
Lepchas are also not only the Buddhist, they also worship in nature. Each Lepcha clan have their own mountains, own cave and own lake. If you ask to the other communities of Sikkim, like Bhutia community, like Nepali community, you can ask who will the first Aboriginal. They will definitely say Lepchas are the first Aboriginal communities of Sikkim.
Maria, and then chore. Shig Maria, and then chore. Shudokayum Boshanga Bamulencho. Shudokayum Boshanga Bamulencho.
झर्दैन होला है झर्यो झर्दैन होइन छुट्टिन्छ भनेर नि छुट्टिँदैन होला है उही तलसम्म
Kasi sa briang Jordan Rongkep, anak kasi sa nam kanyat sa ke anak go yuk macho der sumok jak tuk song ter chu anak rong setiap komor nyembu de tong ter zuk chu go yuk de tong macho. Ache sumok jak tuk ter su ten ke anak shu zok chu go ligong po poli zok chu anak payong poli anak ru poli zok chu anak sugong ke la shop su ten ke từng dưới long anh cái pogu rib anh cái ore cái phèn lop utiat zok chu anh cái last cái signing stern cái police macho you are gonna cái smoke tech tức là bút đấy ta chất cái Lom also zoom sere another industry department you training kat khol satan ka uri ka gona sumak thak tak are labu gam la are jun che are sumak thak tak juk sira uthat ka fat non longdan det butyu ana uri saplong ka la no ku yuna ka lab na along la no sumak thak tak de sibi to nong krung la thup chula
इधर देखिए बोलो again
Yes.
इधर Tenzing
उस किताब के नाम है पीपल्स बायोग्राफी रजिस्टर। उसके अंदर हम लोगों ने यहाँ का जितना भी हमारा बीएमसी के अंदर में कितना रिसोर्सेस है, कितना स्पीशीज ऑफ प्लांट है और यहाँ का क्रॉप्स वेराइटीज़ कौन कौन क्रॉप वेराइटीज़ मिलता है, यहाँ का कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट, यहाँ का अपना परंपरा क्या क्या है, यहाँ का जितना भी हमारा यहाँ का रिसोर्सेस है वो किताब के अंदर हम लोग ने उसमें लगाना है अथवा लिखना है। नेटल फाइबर पहला जनरेशन में हमारा एंसेस्टर ने कंप्लीटली नेटल फाइबर का कपड़े पहनता था। यहाँ का जितना भी जंगल में नेटल फाइबर मिलता था उसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करके, क्योंकि उस समय में बाहर का कपड़े कुछ भी नहीं था। बट अभी क्या हुआ है, अभी स्लोली जो नेटल पहला पहनता था, अभी नेटल का वो काम जो बुजुर्ग लोग काम करता था वो भी ख़त्म होते चला गया और बाहर का कपड़ा आने लगा और सब ने बाहर का कपड़ा में प्रेफर करने लगा। इसीलिए नेटल का जो हमारा कल्चर में जो लिंकेजेस था वो थोड़ा ख़त्म होते चला गया। आज मैं इधर मैं बैठा हुआ, मैं भी एक बाहर का कपड़ा पहना हुआ है। हम लोग ने क्या सोचा, अगर ये नेटल फाइबर हम लोग ने फिर इसको रिवाइव कर सकते तो हमारा कल्चर भी रिवाइव हो सकता है और फिर उसके साथ साथ में हमारा यहाँ का जो नेटल फाइबर में काम करने वाला को थोड़ा उसको आमदनी होगा, उसका लाइवलीहुड पे थोड़ा सपोर्ट होगा। मैं भी कोशिश करता हूँ ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं भी नेटल फाइबर का कपड़ा पहनूँ। नेचुरल फाइबर का प्रोसेस में 3 स्टेप होता है। पहले रॉ नेटल का वो बाक निकालना पड़ता है। दूसरे में सेकेंड स्टेप में उसको पकाना पड़ता है। अब पकाने के बाद फिर थर्ड स्टेप में हम लोगों ने लास्ट स्टेप में हम लोग उसको फाइबर निकलता है उससे।
To conserve the forests of Zongo, we need to preserve or conserve the culture of the Lepchas. Some of the traditional conservation measures that they've adopted, be it regarding natural resources or medicinal plants or water conservation, they've also had a very, very strong, deep connection with nature. To conserve their areas, their forests, you also have to look at the preservation of their culture part. Whatever activities that we have to do regarding conservation would have to have a link with their traditions. Otherwise, if you try to introduce something which is totally alien to them and which would probably not work in the long run, then it is a waste.
I was a footballer before, and then I used to play from a state team, and I did play for some local clubs. And then later on, I decided we have to go back to our roots, the village, and start doing farming. It's not that I'm doing farming, So farming has been a part of our culture, and it is very important for the coming generation, So if we do this kind of thing, a lot of youngsters will get motivated, So we want more youngsters to come back, and do farming, because the farming is very important not only to the Lepcha culture, to the entire nations of the world.
If there is a forest, the Lepcha community also survive. If there is a Lepcha community, the forest also survive.